Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, what have we here? That's 3 eggs beaten and rested for 5 minutes. That's the start of a good omelet. This is ground beef. I've already ground this beef. If you want to see me ground beef, you can look at a million of my videos where I ground the beef. This is some plastic American cheese. Yeah, that's right. Some ketchup, some mustard, a little pepper. I'm going to start off with butter. It's just what I... Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? It's just what I said in the intro. It's a cheeseburger omelet. Don't question it. Watch and learn. It's going to be killer dollar. I guarantee it. Check it out. All right, medium warm pan. I'm going to get this butter down. A little olive oil. That's very little, isn't it? That got a little burnt because it was a little higher than medium. Let you know how important it is to have the right temperature. But now we're on medium. Put those eggs in. 3. Beaten for about 2-3 minutes, and let's sit for about 5 minutes. All right, that's the start. All right, let's see how this guy's doing. Oh yeah, that's been a minute. Pepper. That's it for the pepper. Now I take it, turn it around like this a little. Get that goopy goop moving all around. Oh yeah, this is gonna be very goopish. We're gonna take this American cheese, pop one down there. Pop one down there. You guessed it, pop one down there. We're gonna take the burger. This is a cheeseburger. I'm gonna put that baby down right there. You know what goes best with a cheeseburger? Well, in my opinion, ketchup. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. And mustard. The size of the pan do not like the ketchup and the mustard. Let's flip it. Whoa, got a little brown. Let's shut this off. Just pretend that's the brown bun. I'll meet you at the counter for the taste test. There's the finished close-up of the cheeseburger omelet. Nothing left to it but to do it. Let's take a big bite. All right. Let's try it. Okay, it looks crazy. But is it crazy good? We're gonna find out right now. Oh my goodness. Is it hot? It's a little hot. Is it cooperating? No, never does. Here's that bite. The question is, does it taste like a cheeseburger? Yes. 100%. That's ridiculous. One more bite. Good way to get your protein to start the day. Taste that burger, taste that ketchup, taste that mustard, taste that American cheese. The egg is fluffy despite its brown color. It's fluffy brown. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
That's all I got left. That's the start of a perfect omelet. Well, we'll find out. That's all you need. It's a cheeseburger. It's not a cuckoo. Cuckoo. I told you it was a cheeseburger omelet, so stay safe. Now, the real review. Mommy, I'm scared. Oh, that was good. Ba ba ba. Now, Was it the sweet Babu? You'll never know. Was it Baba? Yes, it was Baba. Ba. Oh my goodness, I'm getting dizzy. Oh my gosh. Oh, stop.